Malaysia, US help Philippines search for missing Medevac helicopter in Palawan. The governments of Malaysia and US are now helping the Philippines in its search and rescue or SAR for short operations for the missing medical evacuation helicopter in Palawan, the Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines or CAAP said on Monday. The CAAP Philippine Aeronautical Rescue Coordination Center or PARCC said it coordinated with the Palawan Provincial Disaster Risk Reduction Management Office or PDRRMO and the Philippine Adventist Medical Aviation Services or PAMAS as regards two Cessna 182 planes with flight numbers N45VX and N81708 doing an aerial search over Kota Kinabalu in Malaysia and the U.S. Department of Defense CL-60 aircraft with registration N7700 and call sign MAUI-101. Floating debris that looked like a gas tank reportedly has R4048 and pentafluorine markings on it was earlier found by the Philippine Coast Guard or PCG of Lumbukan Island, but CAAP has yet to confirm if the remnants were from the Medevac chopper. Meanwhile, the CAAP PARCC said it coordinated with the PCG and the Philippine Navy to inform them if their vessels will conduct SAR operations over the Malaysian territory on Tuesday. Kota Kinabalu ARCC also informed the PARCC that their Coast Guard vessel conducted SAR operations south of Pulau Bangi, Sabah, Malaysia around 4 p.m. today, the agency said. They also advised that the Malaysian Police Air Wing Department and Malaysian Air Force will conduct SAR operations at the boundary of Pulau Bangi and Balabac, Palawan, it added. For its part, the Philippine Air Force or PAF deployed another so-called rescue helicopter with registered Flight Angel 942 to transport the communications team of Task Force Air from Puerto Princesa City to the PAMAS headquarters. It likewise performed a coastal search but there has been no sighting of the missing chopper. This game that I use in this simulation is Airplane made by Quantum Design Group. Download it from the Play Store for free. The helicopter I use for simulation is the MD helicopter because it looks like Yellow Bee helicopter that disappeared in Palawan. This year, we are almost 200 subscribers. Don't be shy, please press the subscribe button and bell notification to reach 200 subscribers. So guys, that is our video for today. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. And also please update about helicopter missing in Palawan. Bye bye and stay safe everyone.